watching CI Living, sponsored by Stephanie Pratt.
Tricoci University of Beauty Culture is a beauty education provider with 15 campus locations around Illinois. Here today with some winter skincare tips is David. Welcome to CI Living.
Hi, thank you so much.
So can you tell me a little bit about the Beauty University?
Yeah, so we've been around 20 years. I'm proud to say that. Our first campus was in Chicago by our founder, Mario Tricoci. We have 15 campuses, but the closest one to your viewing area would be our Urbana campus. So at Urbana, we offer aesthetic skin classes and cosmetology classes as well. We're enrolling every 6 weeks, so there's always a class starting. You can go to our website, tricociuniversity.edu. You can click for a link. It'll get you more information, hook you up with the call center to get linked up to an admissions advisor, and then they'll take you and get you enrolled from there.
And so what kind of career ultimately would you recommend somebody come to the university? Like if you want to be a...
Right, so if you want to be a hairstylist, if you want to be an esthetician, if you want to be a platform artist, you want to become an educator someday like I did, you can go so many different places with this education. It's crazy. The sky is really the limit for people that are creative, especially around here. You're by a big university, right? Some people try that, but that's not their passion.
Sure.
So people that have a passion for beauty, this is a great step to go to get you to where you want to be.
And you have some beauty skincare tips because there's a difference, which I didn't know, between skincare for the winter and skincare for the summer. So can you talk to us a little bit about winter skincare?
Yeah, so it's very important to moisturize and exfoliate in the winter.
Okay.
You should never use the same moisturizer that you use during the summer months that you do during the winter. So you're going to want something with more humectant, something that's stronger in the winter, a thicker formula.
Okay.
There's just so many irritants in the air from all the dry air, extra dust, the heaters, space heaters just are terrible for your skin. And then one misconception is people don't think they need an SPF, right? They're inside, they're not outside, the sun's not beating on their face, and that is far from the truth. You need an SPF every day, all year, especially for those snowy days. That light really reflects off the snow like it reflects off water. People that are skiers constantly get sunburned, so it's really important to still use your SPF.
That's really good advice. I never would have thought of that. And I have a follow-up question to that because my makeup foundation says SPF. Is that enough, or do I need to actually put a separate SPF underneath my makeup? That's
great that you have that, but they do recommend that you apply the SPFs more than one time a day, right?
Okay.
So you should be doing that at least twice a day with your SPF, so you can add something. But like you said, some is tinted, there's all different kinds of SPF, so it's what works best for your skin.
Nice. And I know that you have a little beauty demo you wanted to show us, right?
Yeah, so speaking of exfoliations, we do offer lots of services at our campus. That's how our students get all the practice. So one of the things that we could get done while you're on the campus as a service is ultracurrent exfoliation. So this is ultrasonic, I'm sorry. So this is a treatment you can get. I think we're going to do a demo right here, but a great thing about this treatment is when I exfoliate in the shower, I always think I'm missing spots. So concentrate here, concentrate like on this part of my forehead.
Right.
So when one of our estheticians is doing it, they're going to make sure they cover all areas of the skin. So this is different than your powder exfoliation. This is ultrasonic.
Okay, and so what exactly is that doing to her face right now?
It's doing an exfoliation, so we're getting everywhere. For demo purposes, we're not going too deep, but it really gets deep into the skin. It scrapes off all those surface cells to rejuvenate new skin cells.
And this is a painless procedure. It just is, what exactly is that tool doing?
It is painless, right? You don't feel no pain? Exactly. So the ultrasonic technology is penetrating into that skin to help loosen up those cells to get them off.
Wonderful. Well, thank you so much for being here. And thank you for all of this information and for showing us that. Thank you guys for the demo. We appreciate it. And if you want more information, you can visit us on our website at ciliving.tv after the show.